everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, and in this video I'll be reviewing my new TELFAR bags. TELFAR Clemens is a black designer. I believe he is of African descent. I think he's Liberian American actually, out of New York, so shout outs to New York City. Gotta support my New York City designers. He has a luxury brand, sells bags and other accessories and apparel, I believe. And his bags are really popular. So, and they're really hard to get, okay? They sell out in a minute, literally. So I had been trying to get my hands on a bag for a while. But this summer, there was a day where you were able to buy, or I should say pre-order bags, as many as you want, whichever ones you wanted. So I splurged and got myself 3, which is what you'll be seeing in this video. And I'm doing this video because I know TELFAR bags are highly sought after. So because I got them, I want to share with you guys, let you guys know my thoughts on them and my experience shopping with TELFAR. I got 3 of their shopping bags. They're small, I believe they're a size small. And I got them in 3 colors: bubblegum, red, and gold. So this will be my first time taking a peek right now. So they come in these Ziploc bags and then in a dust bag. Do you guys see that? Yes. Okay. So this is the bubblegum one I'm taking out now. Oh, I love the shade. Okay, it comes with some paper protecting the logo. Here we go. It has a nice texture. I do have a couple other vegan leather bags, and they do feel similar. So if you guys are not familiar, they are vegan leather, and this is the size of it. So let me put it on my shoulder so you can see how long it goes. My hip waist area, and this is it. Super small, definitely not an everyday bag. The inside, it has pink lining as well, and it has the logo stitched into it on a tag, and it also has one of these tags. I don't have a lot of small bags, so that's why I chose to buy 3 at one time. So that is the pink one. Now I'm about to open up the red. Oh, I love this color. It is beautiful. This is beautiful. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yes. Yes. Again, the lining is consistent with the color of the bag. So it's red lining. So cute. And these bags, they don't have so much space, so I want to fill it up and see how it looks full. Love Light and LOCS gel, which is not out yet. Stay tuned. That could fit in there. Okay. Eyelash glue, well, weave glue that I use for my lashes. Just want to see how it looks filled up a little bit, you know. Very cute. And my last one, the gold one. Let's take a look. Ooh, it looks kind of silver on the camera. It is definitely gold. Actually, it's kind of like champagne. And again, the lining is consistent. So I want to take a really closer look to see if I see any flaws. That's important. You know, this is a luxury brand. I expect it to be flawless. especially considering the size and the price for the size. Okay. It looks pretty perfect to me. Okay, there's a, oh, I didn't even notice, there's like a sticker on the button part, and it's magnetic, but it clicks in. But the magnet obviously helps it out, you know? Helps it find each other. Okay, and I would have to wear it around a while to really test the quality. But from what I can feel, it feels like good quality. This feels like good vegan leather. Perfect stitching. I like it. This is my favorite. I just, ugh. Listen, red is my color 2021. So those are the bags. Definitely let me know what your thoughts are, if you have any, if you've had some for a while, like what is your wear like. Leave comments below so we all can share our experiences and know if this is a brand we want to keep supporting. So thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe. You can always visit www.keishacharmaine.com for hair growth products, hair accessories, and more. But don't leave just yet. Check out my featured video and my latest video.